If you've noticed that your Shopify checkout is missing the customer login link, most likely this feature is simply deactivated in the advanced settings. So in order to activate it, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select settings. Then click on customer accounts. Then at the very top, locate accounts in online store and checkout, and then select edit. Then just enable this option, show login link in the header of online store and checkout. And then let's save changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update in the system. And then as usual, go back to checkout page and try refreshing it. The link should populate right here. And as you can notice, the login link is now available in checkout, so the customers can log into their Shopify account during checkout process. So this is all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.